really excited about Ben and Ashley's house because this is an old home, early 1900s, right downtown Bentonville.
Historical, I like that.
And from the pictures, it looks like their kitchen is teeny, teeny, tiny.
Yep.
It's all, you know, typical old house, yeah.
Yep. This is them,
Oh,
right?
it's so cute, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's really cute. I love it. Hello.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Thanks for having us. Hi.
Good to see you.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Your cute house.
It needs a lot of help. You guys ready?
We're ready.
We're ready. I like it. It looks cool.
I know it already has a lot of charm, which that's a really good starting place.
Well, the whole charm factor was part of why I bought this place to begin with. We're Bud and Ashley Bowman. We live in Bentonville, Arkansas.
Ashley and I have known each other since 2005 and got married in 2014.
Our house was built in 1905. I bought it back in 2005. I was looking for a historic home, and I found this one and loved it. It has the tall ceilings. It has the character that you just can't find in new homes. I've always appreciated old things, antiques, and
That's why she married
just
me.
Exactly. And as you can tell, just my style has always leaned in that direction, and this house was perfect for me at the time, and it's been perfect for us, except for the choppiness.
Let's talk about money first. What are you guys planning to spend?
$150,000.
Okay. All right. What would you like to do out here?
We really don't care for our roof at all, so.
Okay.
And we need siding, and we need windows.
Okay.
Okay.
Got
It's just time for new.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So what about color?
We're open to another color.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'd like a house that matches our personalities a little more, maybe.
Yeah. I don't know exactly what color, but I do think we need to keep it with the historic color.
That sounds great.
Path looks awesome.
You know, this is a second path that I've built. I
Okay.
think that needs to,
Freshen.
Cleaned up a little
just
bit.
cleaned up
Yeah,
and
redone.
whatever.
Okay. So your front door is kind of hidden.
Yeah.
Would you guys be open to moving your front door so that it's a little more
Yes,
visible?
actually.
I think we just fully embrace the historic cottage look. So out here, the plan is we need the new roof, new windows, new siding, moving the front door, and then we're gonna paint the house a historic color, new lighting, landscaping. I mean, it's already adorable out here, but it'll just really kind of just take it to
I
the
like
next
it.
level.
Yeah.
All right,
check
let's
it out
head inside.
Yeah.
All right. Come on in to our
Okay.
humble abode.
Oh, this is so cute. Wow, the ceilings are really high. That's
Yes.
awesome.
Yes.
This is the living room. How you want this house to feel when you come in.
Warm and cozy, but
Yeah.
also like light.
And I noticed you have a lot of really cool antiques around.
I love the antique-y
Yes.
feel.
It's beautiful. Would you be open to us using any of your pieces?
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
Maybe modifying something? Like this settee.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have some ideas. Okay. Well, I like your
But,
stained glass window.
I like it. I have a couple of different stained glass windows.
Okay.
What are your thoughts on this room?
we're really tired of carpet, but we don't know what floor's underneath here.
This age, it's old Doug fur. Hopefully it's in good shape.
Yeah.
So what's
And then
this?
what's this?
This is an office space and the guest
Okay.
bedroom if the grandkids come and stay.
Okay. So I know I haven't seen the rest of the house yet, but I think we are going to be moving rooms around. If we move your front door, we don't want to walk into a
Right.
bedroom or an office. Could we open this wall up?
Well, I guess it's up to y'all. So if we got rid of this closet here
Right.
and then open that up all the way to the back wall of your current living room,
And you
That
have
would be
these two
amazing.
spaces that flow a little
Not have
better.
Yeah.
Here is our
Primary bedroom.
Okay.
bedroom.
Okay.
So this is where we sleep.
Do you want to keep this as your bedroom?
I mean, it works. But
Yeah.
We're
Okay.
open to whatever. Yeah.
So you have a little closet. So we definitely need to figure out some more closet space. I know how that is in an old home.
Yes.
So let's see what else we've got back in this area of the house. All right, so this
This is the bathroom.
A lot of wallpaper.
Looks sort of antique-ish, but I am ready for a change.
Okay.
And we're not opposed to one sink.
I would rather have a counter space, you know.
Yes, I agree. So shower and tub or just shower?
Shower.
Okay, so can everything else go in here?
Yes.
Perfect. So the plan in here is basically update everything, new vanity, one sink, new shower, and we'll update this wallpaper and we'll add new lighting. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, what's next?
Kitchen, I guess, is the only thing that's left. Welcome to our kitchen/dining room. There's a lot that I love about the feel of this room, but it is a little bitty. He's standing there trying to cook or whatever.
Her dream is to have an island, not a peninsula.
Right.
And then we got very limited cabinet space.
Would you guys be open to moving the kitchen maybe to the front of the house?
Yeah.
Because on the other side of this kitchen wall is your bathroom and then the outside of the house. So we're just really limited with what we can do with this space.
Eliminating the kitchen here and moving it to another room. That's
Right.
the only way you can get an island, more space.
That sounds amazing.
That would be amazing.
Okay, so the way the house is laid out now, we can move your kitchen to where your current living room is, and then move your living room to where your current guest room is. And then maybe the living room can serve as a multi-purpose room with some office space.
That'd be
Sounds
amazing.
All right, so for the living room, we'll take down that wall, opening it up to the kitchen, and then we'll relocate the front door and put a new window in its place. Hopefully we can find old hardwood floors that we can restore, but if not, we'll do hardwood flooring. So we'll add some more storage and new furniture. And then in the space between your living room and kitchen, we'll add a big dining table where your friends and family can gather.
That would be quite a change.
Yeah. And then in the kitchen, we'll have an island, give you new cabinets, new countertops, new appliances, new lighting,
Yes.
and new paint. We want it to be a nice, light and bright and welcoming space.
That sounds amazing.
That does
Okay.
sound amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
This then could become your bedroom, and your current main bedroom will become a cozy guest bedroom for whenever your kids and grandkids come to visit.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right.
All right. Thank you guys. Take care. We'll see you soon. Let's go in the kitchen.
Okay.
So this room's gonna become the new main bedroom. So we can actually get rid of everything in here
Okay.
because it's no longer gonna be a kitchen. So basically just take it out. Get rid of this exterior door. We're gonna do new flooring, paint, new lighting. We're gonna give the Bowmans a cozy main bedroom that really fits with this home's historic charm.
I want to keep it gentle in here.
Yep, there it is.
Ashley and Bud Bowman's house is coming along great. We're demoing the bathroom.
We make quick work of that.
We've already got the main bedroom down to the studs. And now really the only thing left to do is demo the exterior.
Let's talk about this deck.
What are we doing with it?
Well, remember we're moving the front door here, so this needs to go. Really, the whole front porch just needs to be replaced.
We're hoping for a front porch that doesn't have like the big yellow caution tape stuck to each step.
I think we keep these pavers. I do think they just need to be freshened up, but the handrail, the shutters, and the railing need to go. Hiya!
At Ashley and Bud Bowman's house, the new front door is framed in, giving them that much needed new entryway into their home. And we have siding going up.
I was thinking about painting the exterior of this house yellow. It can be a historic color, and the fact that the siding already came in yellow just confirmed my decision. It will be a more subtle yellow. Should we do it?
Let's find our happy place.
I'm gonna do it.
Love it. I'm going back to work.
I'm nervous, but I'm doing it.
It'll be fine.
It's gonna be really beautiful. Everything's coming together at the Bowman house. Inside, the new built-ins are being painted a soft green, and in the kitchen, the cabinets are being painted a light gray. In the bathroom, we have a whimsical floral wallpaper going up above a classic wainscoting. We're getting so close to wrapping up this home. The new appliances have arrived and are going in.
That looks good.
We have cabinet hardware being installed. We're sanding the floors throughout the house, and the new patched areas are starting to blend really well with the original flooring. And a last bit of inspirational calligraphy is being added to Ashley's hidden desk. The house is coming together, every little detail is coming into place, and it's beautiful. Ashley and Bud really appreciate the history of their home. They love antiques. I love
Those
them.
are really cool lights.
I know, aren't they awesome? And so we really wanted to preserve all of the historic details. We wanted to include little vintage touches.
There we go.
Oh, it looks so good. We didn't make the house any bigger.
Can you believe this was a kitchen?
They are going to freak out. But we just moved everything around in a way that flows better.
Turned out all right?
Looks so good. I love
Cool.
it. Yeah. They'll actually be able to have their grandkids over. They'll be able to host Thanksgiving dinner here.
Final touch. I think we are ready.
Are you ready?
Got butterflies. Oh my gosh, babe. I have no idea what to expect.
We're getting close.
Yeah, we are.
Here they come.
It's them.
Oh, look at the house.
Oh my,
my
gosh.
Oh, it's not even the same house. Holy crap.
My gosh.
Oh, man, that's
Oh,
awesome.
look, the windows. This is amazing.
Oh, wow. Oh,
This
wow.
is amazing.
Get in here.
Come on.
How you doing?
Oh my
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Take it all in.
Oh my gosh. Look at the step.
Look at the brick.
I know. Those
Wow.
are so cool. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so much cuter.
And the color is amazing.
You
like it?
I love the color.
I was
It is.
nervous about the yellow.
It is so perfect.
But I'm so glad. Okay, we have so much to see, you guys.
Yeah.
Let's go see it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Look at these built-ins.
This is so amazing.
This, if you remember, used to be a bedroom. And now it's your living room.
Beautiful. And look, that's the settee.
You recovered it.
it. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful.
That chair looks so much better. Oh my God. Look-
Oh my gosh, look at all the cabinets.
Holy. Oh my word.
Oh my,
Oh, man,
my
look at
gosh. I love the light there.
Those are actually vintage. I found those in an antique shop. And I also
Yes.
found the stained glass there as well, which you had stained glass in the window before,
Yes.
and I knew you loved it. I wanted to still incorporate the stained glass.
Yes. You can really see the openness.
Oh, that's perfect for you.
Gorgeous.
All right, after you, we'll see what's next.
Okay.
Let's check out the guest room.
Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Oh, wow.
How cute is this room? Adorable.
This space, to me, is a place that your grandkids can come and stay, your kids can come and stay. I'm so excited that they're gonna be able to come over and spend more time here, because I know, like you said, that was hard to do before. Sleepovers with Nana and Papa. That's the
Yeah.
best, you
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
So, yes,
Yeah.
sweet memories. You'll
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
It's perfect. It's so awesome.
All right, we got more spaces
Yeah.
to see.
Let's go check out your bathroom.
Oh my word.
Oh,
look at the chest.
I love it. Oh my goodness. The tile, I love this tile.
Timeless, but it goes with the house.
We didn't want to let go of the wallpaper.
Oh my goodness, and it's got this great feel. This is amazing. I love this
Oh.
antique
Yes.
piece with the sink.
Of course, I know you love antiques. I found this piece, and Dave modified it, added the sink.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Charming, adorable little bathroom.
it's beautiful. I love it.
Yay! Okay, we have one more space.
One more space for you.
All right, here we go. Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. Look at our bedroom.
This used to be the kitchen. How crazy is that? Oh my gosh.
This is so cozy.
We got the beadboard.
Yes.
Yes. Just that feel kind of throughout. I love it.
So we were able to carve in a closet. Go check out your
Oh my
closet.
goodness.
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. We got space.
Is there space for both of our stuff?
Well, right there and over, that would be
right.
great
That's
for
how you
you.
get- okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We absolutely love it. It's amazing.
Well, it's beyond.
It's yeah,
beyond
yeah.
whatever our dreams were.
Yeah.
This has been such a fun project. You guys are just a joy to work for and with, and we've just loved getting to know you.
Thank
And
you.
you guys really are just, you just exude joy. And I think now this house does as well.
And you preserve history.
That's
Yeah.
so important to me.
We gave a new story.
Homes definitely have stories.
Yeah.
This one
We're
now.
very grateful to you guys.
Yeah.